Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix unknown USB device described it like it is failed. This is a problem. Step by step follow to solve this problem. Okay, then go to the first step for reinstall the USB driver. Okay, get go to the search bar, search the device manager. Let's go open. Scroll down to see the USB serial bus controller. Then right click to properties to delete. Okay, or scan for our things. No, sure. This is not showing the what. It's get uninstall the USB device control. Okay, this is not showing the USB uninstall option. I'm go to the second step for you showing to you will get the uninstall to reinstall or not showing to you will connect to the second step for disable the fast startup. Get click to the search bar, search the edit plan, power plan, then you will set it, you click to the power option, you will choose the power button, then click the change settings currently, then you will turn on is off, disable to, you will click to the change settings, okay? Then finally you will click to the Windows icon to get restart your PC or laptop to this problem is solved, then anyone doubt to pin the comment and thank you for watching.